Hello everyone, welcome back. As part of Java introduction, we are going to talk about how to reverse a string in Java. We are not supposed to use any predefined methods, we have to do it manually. And we are going to get the input from the user and then we are using that input to reverse the data. Right? First, let's write a code for getting an input from the user. I'm going to use a scanner. Okay, so the next thing what we're going to do is, okay, let's create a main method first, so it will be easy for us to use that. So I'm going to create a scanner inside my main method. Okay, and then we need to provide a statement here. This is out. Okay, so enter the string. And next we need to read the data, right? So string input is equal to scanner.next line. So the data what we're going to enter after this line, it will be stored in the input. And let's talk about what is the implementation. So basically we are trying to reverse everything, right? So of course what we need to do, we have to work with each and every character. So the first thing what we need to do, the moment you received the input, we have to convert it into a character array. So then only we can access one by one each characters. So the way we can do that, let's create a character, declare a character now, and then char input, and this the input we have is a input dot to char array, which will create a character array. Next thing, of course, we have to write a for loop, right? So we can loop all the data from the character array. So let's write a for loop here. But how are we gonna write the for loop here? So because we are not going from first to last, we are coming from the last to first, because that is how the reverse will work, right? So the initial value is going to be the length of your character input, right? So control V dot and length. And next the limit is going to be I less than, no it is not, it is greater than or is equal to 0 till the last element, and we are not incrementing, we have to decrement the data. Okay, so here we need something to store the information, because this loop is gonna process each and every character, right? So to update the data, I'm gonna use the string builder here. So we can, every time it is going on a loop, we are getting the character, right? So that will be added into the string builder. Nice. Okay, the next thing, so sb dot append, right? So sb dot append, so we need to use char input of the element position. So now we done everything. The next thing what we need to do, just print the data, right? So s out, and I'm gonna say reversed string and is equal sb dot to string. So we have the program ready. All we need to do, just right click and run it and provide some input to validate the change. Okay, so let's provide something like Java. Okay, so there is an array index abound exception. So why is that? Any guesses? Can you try what could be the issue here? It is pretty simple. Just check the length. Character input dot length, correct? So length is start from 1, but the index is start from 0. So what we need to do? We have to use the length minus 1, which means till the last element. If it is a 10th element as a length, which means the index is 9. So char input length minus 1. Let's run it one more time. And let's provide the data here as an input Java. See, the reverse string is Java. And let's try one more time. Let's try some statement here. So it will take care of each and everything. So I'm going to provide something, welcome to Java programming. So it will reverse each and every character along with the four different words. So this is how we need to reverse a string in Java. And there are easiest way also available, but first thing we need to know how to do that manually, because we need to know what is the logic to apply to it. Okay. Thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe our channel so you can get all the updates accordingly.